Hey guys, Kraken offers multiple ways to convert or swap crypto. Depending on your preferred platform and the desired fees, the simplest option is using convert or swap function, while more experienced traders can use the Kraken Pro exchange for better pricing. You can hit trade at the bottom right and press convert. You're going to exchange one asset for another. Okay? And you can enter the amount and of course the crypto. Right? If you want to swap from one crypto to another, or one crypto to from one crypto to asset, as in stocks or forex, in this case, or if you want to swap from Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana, whatever, to US dollar, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, or pound sterling. Okay, and once you enter the price or the percentage wise, hit continue. And now you're gonna be able to confirm the fees and everything and how much you're gonna receive. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.